I just got done spraying this stilt grass next to a logging trail. We're in here cleaning up after the logging job, which we did in the spring, but it's too muddy until now to actually move dirt around, so we're just getting around to cleaning it up. One of the things I do on logging jobs is make sure the stilt grass gets killed off, because if you don't, any place that you made bare soil will fill in with stilt grass. Next thing you know, it'll be all up through the woods. You'll never get rid of it. You'll never see the end of it. So it's better to kill it while it's manageable. So the logger is up there with a skid steer straightening up the logging roads, getting all the ruts out. He'll put some water bars in, and then we're going to put some grain in that'll be a quick sprouting growth. Green on there. It'll hold the soil and possibly feed some wildlife. I also wanted to point out something I noticed in this field. This is the log landing that we planted with alfalfa and pasture mix. In here there's lamb's quarter coming, quite a bit of it, and ragweed. And you might say, well, this needs to be sprayed because it's full of weeds, right? But there are times when this type of plant, these native plants, are very palatable and very desirable to deer. I don't see any browse pressure on these, probably because there's soybeans right next door. Let me come over here. Look at the way the deer, and there's hardly any deer around here actually. But what deer there are, they're eating the heck out of these soybeans. And he's still getting flowers, so he'll have bean pods. But they're hard on the soybeans. Look at how they have them all mowed. Alright, so if you want a nice logging job that's properly taken care of at the end, it's very important to clean up after yourself when you leave a logging job, and also very important to have a professional who knows how to get this kind of work done and make sure that the timber isn't all raped off. You can see you still have a forest here, okay? It's not a huge mess like you sometimes see with skidder ruts everywhere and slash everywhere. You can hardly tell anything even went on in here as far as logging. But we did get $50,000 out of a 50-acre woodlot, so it worked out pretty good, even with timber prices being a little soft. This particular 50 acres, I think we can come in here in 30 years and get the same volume off of it. Now what we should do really is to do a pulpwood harvest in here and get more sunlight on the ground. Obviously you'd want to take care of these ferns first, but I could really get some oak to regenerate in here if the landowner wanted that. He doesn't really care because he's in his late 70s and he's probably just going to sell the place here, and at some point, you know, I don't know, maybe 10 years he won't even want it anymore. But that's what a skid trail ought to look like when you're done with it. Alright, so if you want a good logging job, give me a call. Make sure you get it, and you get all the money you got coming to you from your logging and your timber sale. Be sure and hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And comment down below and let me know if there's anything you'd like to know more about.